Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the best smart door lock in the market for this year. August 3rd Generation SmartLock Pro. Use the mobile app to enjoy control of your smart lock from your mobile device. This app is available on iOS as well as Android devices. In addition, it also allows the use of Apple Watches. All these come at no service fee. One important feature of this lock is the installation with an existing deadbolt. This means your old keys remain useful in case of an emergency. A lot of users enjoy a voice command. This smart lock supports this feature but requires users to purchase a hub and Alexa device. Kwikset Kevo 99250-203 Smart Lock. This smart lock is a Bluetooth enabled and pairs with your smartphone device for its lock and unlock features. If your phone is in your pocket, as soon as you get close to the lock, it is able to automatically unlock. So what happens if you don't use a smartphone? Although it is sold separately, users can get a Kevo fob to enjoy the same function. The lock supports the uses of e-keys to give other individuals access to the home. The only downside is the additional costs for more features. Ultraloq UL3 BT Smart Door Lock. With so many options to unlock the door, this smart door lock offers excellent ease of use. It provides a fingerprint scanner which is waterproof and scratch-proof with a scan response of 0.5 seconds. The Bluetooth option is also available, which is more reliable in case of internet or power outage. Although there is an app for unlocking the door, there are lots of other features which the app offers. The app allows the owner to go through the logs to see who has been in and out of the house with their unique fingerprint or code.